Hello everyone, and welcome to this onboarding video for AI2SQL. Today, we're going to take a look at how to get started with AI2SQL and explore some of the basic functionalities that it has to offer. First off, let's take a look at some SQL examples. AI2SQL has a wide range of pre-built SQL examples that you can use to help guide you through the process. These examples cover everything from simple queries to more complex tasks, so there's sure to be something to suit your needs. Once you've got an idea of what you want to achieve, the next step is to define your tables and columns. This is an essential step in any SQL query, and AI2SQL makes it easy with its intuitive interface. Simply select the appropriate tables and columns, and you're ready to start building your query. Once you have your tables and columns defined, it's time to input prompts to generate SQL queries. AI2SQL provides clear and simple prompts that guide you through the process of inputting the necessary data to build your query correctly. With AI2SQL, generating SQL queries is straightforward and doesn't require you to know the SQL language. After generating your SQL queries, it's crucial to validate the output and run your SQL tool. Finally, let's take a look at the SQL Query History. This feature is incredibly useful, as it allows you to review your previous queries and make adjustments as needed. That's it for this onboarding video for AI2SQL. We hope that you found it helpful, and that you're now ready to start using AI2SQL to build effective SQL queries. If you have any questions or need any help, please don't hesitate to chat with us. We're here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching.